How do you say hello in English?
Hello is how you greet someone in English.
What is the English word for cat?
The English word for cat is cat.
How do you spell the word book?
The word book is spelled as bok.
Can you help me with the pronunciation of the word elephant?
Sure. The word elephant is pronounced as elephant.
What is the difference between there, and there?
There refers to a place, there shows possession, and there is a contraction of they are.
Can you give an example of a sentence using the word beautiful?
Of course. The sunset was beautiful.
How do you form the past tense of regular verbs?
In most cases, you add ed to the end of the verb. For example, walk becomes walked.
What are some common irregular verbs in English?
Examples of irregular verbs include go, went, eat, ate, and buy, bought.
How can I improve my English speaking skills?
Practice speaking English as much as possible, and try to have conversations with native speakers.
What are some popular English idioms?
Some popular English idioms are break a leg, piece of cake, and raining cats and dogs.